It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop a question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. Just where we have seen it, this actually started an uptrend right from here. And like I have explained earlier today, it played within this channel for a while and it broke out above it today. And I told you immediately it broke out that it's going to buy more. You can see it bought more till it got to this region, had a pullback, and it's still buying right now. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. This went on uptrend and got to this resistance and wasn't able to break out from there. So it's switching into a downtrend right from here and it started selling. Okay, it sold till it got to this support zone. If you should notice, this is giving us double bottom. So this is trying to go back into an uptrend right now. So we expect more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity on this particular asset. Okay, so next asset is going to be PNX 1200. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PNX 1200. This had been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance and was unable to break out from there. So it's switching to a downtrend. So we got a downtrend signal and a sell signal at this point. So right from there, so we have our setup already. Entry point and of course stop loss. Then we have some highlighted TPs if it goes our direction. TP1 has been achieved already, TP2 has just been achieved also. So we expect it to achieve the rest of the TP. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than buying opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell is if it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. This is PNX 999. This actually started an uptrend right from here, and I told us about this in the morning, and you can see it has really gone far, guys. It has really gone far. So this is still buying. I am expecting it to get to this region, guys. I am expecting it to get to this region. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then we are most likely to see a very good selling, to have a very good selling opportunity right from there. But it needs to switch back into a downtrend before it will go on downtrend fully. So we are still expecting to buy till it get to this region. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. I'm on 15-minute time frame, okay? And of course, this has been buying right from here, but it has gotten to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So this is trying to go back on downtrend right now, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, give us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. I am expecting it to get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it should be targeting this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's see if it can get here. And of course, if it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this region. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.